as you may guess, we are doing a review on a kettle. This is supposed to be really quiet. It's supposed to be up to 75% quieter than a normal kettle, and we will be testing that somehow. I'm not sure how, but we will try and test it for the difference in audio levels, okay? So this is Russell Hobbs Quiet Boil Cream Kettle, and at the time of making this video, it cost around about £38. Link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Rapid boil zone. Apparently, I think it said something about if you put in 1 cup worth of water, boil 1 cup, there you go, in 45 seconds, apparently. So with that, let's get that. It does it in 4 different colours, by the way. We've gone for the cream one, and we wasn't sent this. My wife actually bought it because she wanted a new kettle, so this is down to her, not down to me. Also, you get a Russell Hobbs thank you voucher, multi-award winning £50 to £60 win voucher, so you have to win it. Russell Hobbs in maybe registration online. I can say instructions, but I don't think it is. The kettle itself. Let's have a quick look. She's had this for quite a while, by the way. She's saying, I've been busy. She goes, oh, about time. So let's have a quick look around it. So quiet boil, up to 75% quieter with a quiet boil in technology. Quiet boil in technology, and then it says quiet boil technology. Quiet boil up to 75% quieter, which is what it says. So as a water level measurement thing for you, and it does up to, was that 2, 4, 6, I'm guessing that's 8, 1.7 litres of water it holds. On off. Yeah. Black handle, lift the lid up, yeah. Reasonably light, it's not light, but it's reasonably light. Has some, I don't know if you can see that, levelers there. Do they float up and down then? Must do, would have thought they did, but you know, who knows. And obviously, the plug. So a 3-pin plug for the UK market, and it has a wrap around, which will probably add something like that, maybe so, like that. That should just sit on there like that. Kettle's on, kettle's off. Yeah, easy enough. Looks quite nice, like I said. Do it in 4 colours. I think it's cream, black, not sure, stainless steel, and grey. Okay, so if you want a different colour, you got the choice of 4. So first impressions, yeah, looks very nice. It's a kettle. Looks quite retro-y, I would say, being it's a creamy colour. And with that, let's do some boiling, baby. So I've had a little think about this, and I thought, well, how can I do a audio check? Well, I had one of these. Plus, he says, I have my phone. Yeah, so we're going to test it on this and on my phone to get a reasonable, accurate sound. And we are going to be testing my old kettle, this baby here, and my new kettle. So first things first, let's find somewhere where I can put this. First things first, just put this on a stand, like so. And let's sit up now. Come on, sit still. There you go, there you go. So we're going to be quiet for a couple of seconds and try and get a audible surround setting. So shush, be quiet. So it's about 35 decibels, okay? That was coming up with 0. That's how quiet it was. So about 35. So I need to put water in both of them because we need to do a proper comparison. So this is just a standard kettle. You know, it's got nothing fantastic about it, but it does work. And this is a new kettle. Again, nothing fantastic, but it's supposed to be very quiet. Or quieter than that one. We're going to test it. So that's up to there. So nice display. Oh, it's on both sides, by the way. and I'm leaving the sticker on for now. Okay, so first things first, let's try out this kettle. So we need to get a comparison. So be quiet, Yorkie. Right, so we've got a reading of around about, according to my phone, it's about 65 decibels it's going up to, around that sort of figure, and this was going around about 72 decibels. So now, we're going to try this one out. So what I'm going to do, to make it fair, put that back there, if it stay up, yeah, like that. Move the kettle, I want to put it in roughly the same spot, yeah, to make it fair, okay? And we're going to do the same thing again. My hand was about there, yeah, and voila. Oh, it's a little blue light. Just noticed that. See that? Right, so that's finished. So I made it roughly, according to this one, about 12 decibels quieter, and this one was about 15 decibels quieter. So yeah, there is a difference. Whether it's enough, that really depends on what you want. So yeah, not fantastically quieter, but 12 to 15 decibels. We've done a proper reading on both, and I tried to keep it very still. This one, for some reason, started turning itself off. I think I had it on for too long, and it started to go into sleep mode. But yeah, about 15 decibels quieter on this one, and about 12, 13 on this one, roughly. Let me know in the comments what you think. So, my opinion, it is quieter. It definitely is quieter, but not a fantastic quietness. Yeah, if you wanted a really quiet one, this may not be the baby for you, but it is the baby for us because we bought it, and yeah, I like it. I like the style. Also, didn't realise it had that nice little red light on it, which is very good. Now then, before we say anything, yes, I'm going to throw the water away because that's the first boil. And you always have to throw the first boil away. So I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, I do like the kettle. I like the styling. Also like the blue little LED on the bottom. I didn't know it had that, but it's an extra feature. Let's see what it looks like with the lights turned off. I've got studio lights on. Give me a second. Does that light up? Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah, I like the little blue light. I think it's really nice. I do like the kettle. Well, like I said, I do like the styling, but I want to do an accurate reading or as close as possible on decibels. Like I said, it's about 12 to 15. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether it's about accurate or whether you're thinking about buying one of these. If you are thinking about buying one, check out my links in the video description. Some of them are affiliated, but not all of them. And with that, right, before I forget, they do claim that it can boil 1 cup within 45 seconds. Now, I'm not sure if they mean it will boil within that time or whether the switch will go bing, cutting it out. I think what they mean is it can boil it within 45 seconds. So we are going to quickly do a test to see if it actually does it. So I've got my stopwatch out, yeah, on my phone. So, and I've done it to the bottom, to the lowest one. So just 1 cup, because it says 1 cup. Yeah, boil it 45 seconds. Really? We will see right now. Ready, steady, go. 45 seconds, we will see. Right, that is boiling now. So what's that, 50 seconds? So it's not too bad. And 1 minute 5 seconds from when it turned off. So it's about 50 seconds. So yeah, we'll give him that. It's not 45, but we'll give it to him. It's not too bad. And with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. It's a new kettle.